is تعجيل الإفطار, hastening the iftar. The Prophet ﷺ, he said, لا يزال الناس بخير ما عجلوا الفطرة. The people will be upon good as long as they hasten their iftar, as long as they hasten the breaking of the fast at Maghrib time. Sahl ibn Sa'ad al-Sa'idi radiyallahu ta'ala anhu narrated it, and it's found in Bukhari and Muslim. So hastening the iftar is a sign of good amongst the people. As long as the people are hastening their iftar, there is a sign of good. And you find, subhanallah, some people who love to show that they are strong enough and that they are capable of carrying on their fasting. So they say, inshallah, I won't eat anything now. I'll just wait for Isha or after Taraweeh. And they won't eat anything. And they think this is a good sign. But the truth is, the person who's better and greater is the one who breaks his fast as soon as possible. As soon as the time comes in, Maghrib time, he breaks his fast straight away. The Prophet ﷺ, he said, on the authority of Umar radiallahu anhu, he said that the Prophet ﷺ said, إِذَا أَقْبَلَ اللَّيْلُ مِنْ هَا هُنَا وَأَدْبَرَ النَّهَارُ مِنْ هَا هُنَا وَغَرَبَتِ الشَّمْسُ فَقَدْ أَفْطَرَ الصَّائِمُ مُتَّفَقٌ عَلَيْهِ. If the sun comes from this direction, the darkness comes from this direction, and the daytime turns its back this direction, and the sun sets, the Prophet said, فَقَدْ أَفْطَرَ الصَّائِمُ. The one who is fasting breaks his fast. And straight away, the minute this all happens, he breaks his fast. He doesn't wait and sit around. He doesn't wait till Isha. The minute the sun sets, he breaks his fast.